Shake, rock, rattle and roll with a Rhinox Riddle Bucket.
Hello, my name's Will and I'm the Sales Director here at Rhinox Group.
Hello, my name's Terry and I'm the Key Account Manager here at Rhinox.
In this video we're going to be talking about the Riddle Bucket, what they are and the best uses.
What is a Riddle Bucket? Sometimes known in the trade as a skeleton or shaker bucket. So it would typically have tines or bars in the back so that it helps to sift through soils and aggregates on site. This helps to reduce the cost of muck away. So obviously by scooping through the soil you would be able to recycle the rocks and stones and bricks and then obviously separate out the soils and the fines.
Some of the key features and benefits of the Rhinox Riddle Bucket range are that we offer removable dummy pins right through the size range. This means they can be replaced if they wear over time whilst they're riddling. We've then got the Rhinox hook system. That means that they can be easily transported around site and moved from job to job. We've then got the vertical tine system. That's much stronger than the horizontal bar version, but we also support that with a horizontal brace bar that keeps them from distorting over time. We then have the tooth systems. So on the 0.75 through to 8 ton, we have the bolt-on tooth system, both Kubota and JCB. And then from 9 ton up to 25 ton, we use the standard cat style system, so that's pin and retainer. That means that they can be changed when they wear out over time. It also means on the bolt-on style teeth that you can change those for a reversible edge if you feel the application is necessary.
Some questions that we regularly get asked about riddle buckets are, does it cause excessive wear on the pins and bushes? And the answer is yes, it does. Over a period of time it will cause excessive wear. Obviously the pins is often an area where it wears first, and that's on purpose so that it doesn't wear the hitch as fast, but they are replaceable. Same with pins and bushes. You're able to replace pins and bushes, but if you evaluate the cost over the hire of like a screener or a crusher, it's definitely worth bearing that in mind. Another question we get asked is, do we do specific tine widths? Unfortunately we don't. We can't offer that because we're a stocking manufacturer, so it means that we can dispatch your order very quickly. So on the 1.5 ton it's a 30mm gap, and on the 3 ton up to 25 ton it's a 55mm gap.
So how do you use a riddle bucket? Initially you fit the bucket as you would any other standard bucket, either direct mount using the pins onto the dipper arm or via a quick coupler. You then scoop up the soil that you're trying to sort with aggregate and stones in it, crowd it round and start to shake using crowd control in the excavator. This sieves out any of the fine soils or sand and leaves the stones and rocks and rubble that you want to tip into a separate pile. This can then be separately removed or used on site in a different area.
As we previously mentioned, the Rhinox Riddle Buckets is available from the 0.75 up to the 25 ton and is typically the biggest digging stroke bulking bucket in the range. And as you can see from the video, we can also offer, for a small surcharge, colour-coded buckets to keep up with the company image or so that it's easily recognisable on site. The Rhinox bucket is typically priced between £450 up to £2,950 and is available on the Rhinox website.
Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know more about our toothed versus bladed buckets, then please click here.
My name's Terry and I'm Key Account Manager at Rhinox.
Bolt-on style reversible.